Hello guys, welcome to another English activity. Today we have an activity from the proyecto number 1, first baccalaureate, week number 2. And today we have a reading, healthy food versus junk food. Remember, healthy food is everything related to natural food. Example, fruits, vegetables, and junk food is something prepared without nutrients. Example, hamburger, uh, potato chips, hot dogs, they are junk food, right? And here we have a reading. Who is the healthiest? Who? I have two persons here, Mary and Tim. And who is the healthiest? Remember, if we want to mention something that is superior to another person, we use superlatives. Healthy, healthiest. Which one? Mary or Tim? Read the piece below and decide who is the healthiest. Let's read them. So let's start reading this activity. This is Mary, right? My name is Mary, and I am an architect. I get up every morning and I have cereal for breakfast. Don't forget that breakfast is desayuno in Spanish. I also have a can of Coke, coming from the word Coca-Cola. I drink too much Coke. Oh my God, she drinks a lot of Coca-Cola, but I really like it. Yeah. For lunch, I have a sandwich, but I also eat a lot of fruit. Oh, she has sandwiches, but anyway, she eats a lot of fruit. I don't do enough exercise. She doesn't do exercise. She doesn't play soccer. She doesn't play basketball. She doesn't play anything. But I tried and 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 do for a run once a week. She runs only one in the week. For example, on Sundays, she goes and run. For dinner, I usually have pasta or salad. Pasta is considered a bad nutrient during the night. It is and the best time to eat pasta during the day is in the lunch time because it gives you energy. Why do you need energy when you want to go bed? If you want to sleep, do you need pasta? So that's why maybe this girl called Mary is having a bad habit uh, of eating habit. My brother is called Tim. Okay, let's talk about Tim. And he works in an office. He works in an office. Maybe he's a president. He's a teacher. Maybe he works in an office. He doesn't eat breakfast in the morning. He doesn't eat breakfast. It means él no desayuna. But he has a salad and glass of orange. Oh, but he has a salad and a glass of orange juice for lunch. En el almuerzo solo tiene una ensalada y un jugo de naranja. He does a lot of exercise and goes to the gym every day, but he eats too many cakes. He goes to the gym. He does a lot of exercises, but he eats many cakes. He works very hard and sometimes just has a sandwich for dinner. A veces en la cena solamente tiene come un sándwich. I don't think he gets enough sleep. Y él no duerme bien. So, let's compare them. Vamos a compararlos haciendo este cuadro. For example, Mary drinks. ¿Qué bebía? ¿Con qué cantidad podemos decir que bebía Mary? Aquí tenemos los quantifiers, estos son llamados quantifiers, y podemos decir que ella lo hacía en este tono. Too much, demasiado significa la palabra too much. Mary drinks too much Coke. Mary eats fruits. ¿En qué cantidad Mary comía frutas? Let's see. Fruits. Fruits. Mary, she eats a lot of fruit. So you have to complete here with the word a lot, right? Yeah, you have to write there the word a lot. So then you have to complete this full chart in order to do this first activity. How healthy are you? Okay, how healthy are you? That's the question. ¿Cuán saludable eres tú? How healthy are you? Now, write 5 sentences about your own eating and exercise habits. So these are going to be your answers. Yo I'm going to help you with one. Vamos a ver, estas actividades son suyas, personales. ¿Cuán saludable eres tú? Vamos a escribir 5 oraciones. Yo voy por la primera. I do or I play soccer on Sundays. Ya hago deporte, entonces sí puedo decir que soy saludable, ¿no? Ustedes van a completar con cualquier actividad que ustedes quieran. Pueden decir I sleep well, duermen bien, I sleep well, or I sleep 8 hours, yo duermo 8 horas. Pueden decir también I eat, ¿qué pasa con fruta? I eat a lot of fruits, I eat, y aquí le pueden poner un quantifier, por ejemplo, too much fruit, too many fruits. Pueden usar allí un quantifier que lo vamos a analizar. Pueden poner ustedes lo que necesiten para completar estas actividades que pertenecen a usted. ¿Cómo se usan estos quantifiers? Si yo digo too much, son para cosas que no puedo contar. For uncountable, for example, chocolate, sugar, too much sugar, mucha azúcar. Too many is for countables. En cambio, esto es para contables. For example, too many apples, muchas manzanas. Too many cigarettes, muchos cigarrillos. Son cosas que sí se pueden contar. So you can check this grammar section. Chequea esta sección de gramática para poder completar tu ejercicio en la página anterior. So, and that's all the activities you have to do. In this case, en esta ocasión, esto lo voy a mencionar en español, estas actividades que vamos a hacer acerca de qué tan saludable soy yo, usando too much, too many, enough, too enough, a lot. Puedes buscar tu diccionario para que puedas ver un buen uso de estas palabras. Y me haces esta actividad en el tríptico que se está pidiendo al finalizar el proyecto número 1. Hacemos el tríptico y hacemos esa actividad donde corresponde la sección de inglés, ¿no? Me indican ustedes por interno si están haciendo tríptico para yo poder estar de acuerdo con ustedes, ¿no? Esa actividad se la vamos a dejar. So, the activity is done. Goodbye, guys. Goodbye. Thank you for listening to this activity.